Valiant's really an iconic company in the history of comic books. We've sold over 80 million comic books in our history. We have Rye, Exo Manowar, Ninjak. It's a $750 million industry in the United States and a $6 billion industry globally. Our ambition is to be the leading independent company in the comic book world.
The editor is the hub of the wheel of the production process, and Dropbox is right at the heart of that. The people who actually work in the trenches of creating the comics, the writers, the artists, the colorists, the letterers, these are all freelancers. We employ dozens, maybe hundreds of freelancers. They're all over the US, they're all over the world. We're just constantly transmitting files back and forth between all of us. It's all done via Dropbox. The comic book process really begins with the layout stage. The artist uploads high-res scans of pencil pages via Dropbox. I pull them in from there, and then I transmit them to an inker, also via Dropbox. And then the inks come in and go to get colored, to get lettered. At the same time that I send the files to the colorist in the Philippines, I send the same black and white art to the letterer who's in Maryland. A finished comic could be a really international affair.
We have never missed a deadline at Valiant. Deadlines are very important in this business.
A comic has to go to the printer every 30 days, so it has to be ready by that deadline, no matter what.
There's been major snowstorms where we have been unable to come to the office, but our fans, who are not necessarily in New York, they're gonna be at the comic stores on Wednesday morning looking for their Valiant comics. Our production staff works remotely as well as in-house, so they're able to access files that they need wherever they are. Working remotely, we can meet our deadlines because of Dropbox for Business.
Conventions are a major part of the comic book industry, and we have them almost every weekend.
Our staff that's working at the conventions have work to do at the convention, but also need to handle their real day-to-day work as well. I mean, whether they're working on a laptop, an iPad, an iPhone, they're all using Dropbox for Business. Dropbox for Business provides us with flexibility, efficiency, ability to work remotely, a cost-effective solution. I mean, it really provides a technological backbone of what we're doing in comic book publishing here today.